Sziasztok! I'm Adriana Nagy, and if you're here because you want to start learning Hungarian from scratch, you're in the right place. This channel is designed especially for complete beginners. Even if you don't know a single word yet in Hungarian, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step in a way that actually makes sense. I decided to start this channel because from what I've seen, most of the Hungarian content on YouTube is made for learners who are already a bit more advanced. And that's great, but it can be really discouraging when you're just starting out and nothing feels accessible or beginner-friendly. As a passionate language learner myself, I know how overwhelming that early stage can feel. So my goal here is to make Hungarian clear, approachable, and even fun to learn. I will upload new videos every week that focus on real understanding rather than boring grammar drills. I'll break things down clearly using simple building blocks that will help you make progress fast and feel more confident with each lesson. So if you'd like to learn with me, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. And to help you get started, I've also created a free guide called 200 Essential Hungarian Words for Beginners. It comes with an audio recording, so you won't just be reading the words, you'll also be able to hear them and practice your pronunciation, which is especially important in Hungarian. It's a super handy resource to start building your vocabulary with words you will actually use. And you can download it for free. I'll leave the link in the description. So if you've been wanting to learn Hungarian but didn't know where or how to begin, this channel is for you. So make sure to subscribe, check out the videos, and let's start learning together. See you in the first lesson.